Welcome to my Leetcode section, and I should first basically this is the binary tree in order. I use recursion relation. I use recursive solution because I think this is the intuitive way, and we will use this in the other video. And basically this is the very important way because you can get the in-order sequence of this tree. So basically, you can define helper function. There is a global variable L, and in order is start from the left and the root and the right. So we start from left and the root and the right, and this L will append the value. So I initial the global L and I run a self function, and this L will be the answer. So remember, we start from left, and the right, and left and the middle and the right. Okay. So this is the traverse in order, and this L will be our answer. So that's it. And once we have this in order function, then we can use this to solve other solve other problems like 783. So I will solve a 783 in the next time, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next videos.